Here is Daddles driving a header. So here you can see a header filling up a chaser bin, which is the orange, filling up the truck, which will go to the storage facility. When the middle part fills up, the orange lights turn on and that alerts a chaser bin or the radio, and then they'll get a chaser bin to come and empty it out. This is the grain shed, and here they are emptying a truck into this shed, which will go into storage. Although this one, I think they're putting it into the dryer because the grain was a little bit wet. So that's gone into the silo, which will go into the dryer and dry it off. So this whole area was super busy. They were either filling up trucks, emptying trucks, weighing trucks. You can see there on the left-hand side that there was the weigh bridge. These guys have got the Manitou out, and they were like filling up the silos, going into the trucks. It was so busy. The kids and I would sit on the sidelines and we'd just sort of watch, and would stay right out of the way, ride our bikes down there because it was right near the near where we were staying at our donga. But you can see one of the trucks there lifted up, so it's getting the grain out, and then it's going onto the grate, and then it's being sprayed into the grain shed. It was so cool to see and learn because I didn't know any of this before we were there. We had so much rain in Esperance, but here is a time lapse of one of the storms we had. It was pretty epic. Thanks for watching.